Hey, I've set up a cozy spa corner just for you. Feel the gentle rain against the window. I'm going to light some scented candles. The scent of lavender is floating in the air. I put on some calming tunes. Let's lay down on this fluffy mat. You can rest your head on this plush pillow. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly. I gently place a warm cloth over your shoulders. Let the steam soothe your muscles. I run a small bottle of warm oil. The aroma rises, calming your mind. I start massaging your neck, using slow strokes. Do you feel the tension melting away? I move to your shoulders, easing tightness. I ask you to relax, let your breathing flow. I'm applying a gentle pressure here. Do you feel the rhythm of the rain matching my touch? I slowly move down your back. Feel the warmth spreading from your shoulders. Let the rhythmic breathing sink with the rain. I gently massage your hands. You feel lighter, almost weightless. I breathe in, exhale, repeating. Let the rhythmic breathing sink with the rain. I start at your feet, moving upwards. Do you notice how the stress lifts? I whisper, "You are safe." The whisper lingers in the room. I turn the room to face the window. The sky is a deep blue, clouds swirling. I add wind chimes for a gentle sound. Feel the breeze on your skin. I press my palm against your chest. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. 4, 5, 6, exhale. I guide you through this. The rain's intensity matches our calm. I close the blinds, making it cozy. The room feels like a cocoon. I lean in, whispering, "Good job, love." The fireplace crackles softly. I lean back, resting my head on the pillow. Feel the warmth from the fireplace. I watch the fire dance. I turn my attention to your eyelids. Feel your eyes grow heavier. I let your body sink deeper into the mat. I whisper, "Now, just breathe." The rain fades, leaving a gentle hum. I gently close my hand around your wrist. I feel the heartbeats aligning. I say, "Rest, my love." You sigh softly, the sound of relief. I watch your breathing steady. I feel your body relax fully. I gently rest my hand on your back. Good night, sleepy one.